Good morning, sunshine. Meet the Resilient Lady as she is cutting through the sunrise like she owns the sea. There's elegance in her motion, power in her silence. As the morning light unfolds, this sleek ship sails into frame with quiet confidence, a bold icon of the new era in cruising. From this aerial view, it's more than a ship, it's a floating statement. Launched in 2023, Resilient Lady is Virgin Voyages' third ship and part of a new cruise experience built for adults who want something beyond the ordinary. She's 278 meters long, and every inch of her design says modern, playful, and intentional. No buffets, no kids, no plastic straws, just luxury with edge, tailored for travelers who value wellness, freedom, and unforgettable style. From the drone, we see her signature red accents and sleek hull catching the light. This is not your grandmother's cruise ship. Everything is built to offer a refined yet rebellious escape. Virgin Voyages was founded by Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Group, but this isn't just a brand exercise, it's a full rethink of what life at sea could be. On board, the dining options are all a la carte, with over 20 unique eateries, no upcharges for real food, just high-quality cuisine with menus curated by world-class chefs. There's entertainment at every turn, immersive theater, pop-up performances, and DJs spinning under the stars. But cruising on the Resilient Lady is about more than the show. It's about the way you feel on board. The ship invites you to slow down, reconnect, and recharge. Every cabin features clever tech, mood lighting, and ocean views. The spa is expansive, the gym is smart, the vibe is clean and coastal by day, electric and social by night. She sails itineraries through the Mediterranean and Caribbean, bringing people to stunning destinations but always coming back to the experience on the ship itself. Virgin Voyages is all about creating moments, sunsets from the deck, sunrise yoga, stargazing from a hot tub, and dining without limits. Resilient Lady isn't just a name, it's an energy, an invitation to cruise differently, to discover the sea without the noise, the crowds, or the cliches. So, would you look at her one more time? Because this isn't just a ship, this is the future of cruising, already in motion.